family. Today I am gonna show you about how people use their body parts to measure things in ancient times. To measure length, people use handspan, footspan, and cubit. Let's measure the length of this file through handspan 1 and 2. This is 2 handspan. Let's measure the length of this table through cubit 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
The instrument used to measure weight is weighing scale. The unit used to measure weight is kilogram and gram.
The instrument used to measure weight is balance. The unit used to measure weight is kilogram and gram. Thank you.
Commonly measured using measuring cups and measuring spoons. The unit we use to measure capacity are liters and milliliters.
Length is commonly measured using ruler or a measuring tape.